is up, you guys? Thank you so much for coming to see another video. I'm super duper excited about this look. It is absolutely beautiful. The blend is amazing. The only thing is, you'll find out later, is the eyeliner. Steer clear, okay? Steer clear. I don't know if you're single, taken, or complicated this Valentine's Day. Either way it goes, this makeup looks beautiful, and I love putting pink and red together, and it's literally a vibe. The lips are a vibe. I hope you guys love it. If you want to see how I did it, then please keep watching. Wow, wow, wow. Like, can y'all believe that I'm in my apartment? Can you believe it? I can't believe it. I feel like I'm talking so quiet. So strange. It's so strange right now. So I made the really silly mistake of leaving my makeup bag at my friend's house, and I came all the way home to film and realized I didn't bring my makeup bag. The most important thing, you know. So I had to run to Walgreens and pick up some things, and one thing I picked up is this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. I think it was about $3.99 or something like that. So I'm going to try that out as a base. It's literally all I could find for like a reasonable price. Literally the color of my skin, they didn't have a lighter color, so it's just, we're just going to have to work with it. So yeah, today I have this little picture in my mind of a look I want to do for Valentine's Day. Wow, I mean, that really concealed. Something just flew into my eye, and that was not cool. Alright, so we are going to pack on a red. We're using the red color from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, which is actually crazy that I haven't used this in so long because I'm using other BH Cosmetics colorful palettes. No shame at all. They're the best that I've ever tried. And as I'm doing this, I'm just sitting here thinking, I want to do something with this little spot right here. So I'm just going to leave it. And we're going to do something creative. Probably glitter, you know, like my creative just means glitter. Okay, so now I'm going to see if I need to take the red up further. But before I even do that, I'm just going to pack on a hot pink and see if it blends. And the reason I say that is because my eyeballs are so big. Whenever I try and do a lid color, I have to take it above the crease, like a little bit above the crease, or else it just looks weird. It doesn't look like streamlined, if you know what I mean. Now we're going to switch palettes and go into Modern Mattes and use one of these pretty pinks. I'm going to take the second to lightest pink color in the Modern Mattes palette and unpack that right above the hot pink. And really, you kind of just go over the other color. So I say right above, but really, you know what I mean. Because that's how it eventually like starts to blend, when you just keep packing colors like overlapping like that. Like this type of pink right here is like my favorite type of pink. The baby pinks. Even the lighter pink is covering up the hot pink, which is crazy. I don't even understand that. But these colors are so pigmented. Okay, now I'm going for the lightest pink in the Modern Mattes. And we're going to add that right on top of the rest. Wow, look. Looks so pretty. And I don't want to take this completely to my brow. So we're going to try and be disciplined with this, if you know what I mean. And I honestly don't even think this can get easier, you guys. Like, even if you're not a makeup pro, even if you're not a pro at eyeshadow, if you take the same tools I have and the same method, which is literally patting it on just like this, you will come out with the same look. I'm just cleaning off my brush, and then I'm going to go up here and just kind of wipe away, blend away this top part right here. Because mentally it makes me feel better knowing I did not go all the way up to my brow. Okay, and then we're just going to do it all over again. Alright, you guys, I'm going to put a little bit of lash glue on this little white spot that we have. left here and add a little bit of glitter, because I mean, would you even be on my channel if I didn't add glitter? Hopefully this works out, because I do not, like I said, have my makeup bag. Yeah, that's precious. It's like a blooming effect. It's so cute. Oh. So we are going to add a snatched wing. Alright you guys, here's the final look. So I popped on some lashes and finished the rest of this look. I had a real life struggle with this winged eyeliner, and I'm actually extremely upset that I did it. And it just looked really beautiful the way it was. This Wet n Wild liner is not the best, to be honest, so oh well. Like they say, add lashes and your look will come out cute, and that's what happened here. So I still think the blend is absolutely beautiful. I'm living for it, and the lips just completes it all together. But yeah, I hope you guys liked this look. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
I feel so weird. Like, I don't feel like I'm talking loud enough. I just haven't done this in a while. I hope y'all can excuse my nails because they are horrible.